Here's how to add AVAX Avalanche to your MetaMask wallet step by step. First, open the MetaMask app or extension and log into your wallet. At the top, click the network selector dropdown. It usually says Ethereum mainnet by default. Now scroll down and click Add Network or Add a custom network or Add network manually. You'll be prompted to enter your custom RPC settings. Here is what to fill in for Avalanche C-Chain. Double check the details and tap Save. MetaMask will now switch to the Avalanche network, and you'll see AVAX as the native token. To select it, just click on the token selector again and select it from Enabled Networks, Avalanche Network C-Chain. Press on it. If you already have AVAX in another wallet or exchange, send it to your MetaMask AVAX address. It's the same as your Ethereum one. And that's how you add AVAX to MetaMask, simple, secure, and ready to DeFi. Staking and NFTs on Avalanche. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.